I think it's really moving and touching actually to see so many people that are in support of people in Ukraine. I mean, 2 million refugees and counting. I mean, you have to give Poland some credit for able to do that. In 4.5 hours, we're able to cover so much, and I credit that to Warsaw's public transportation system. It's just so good, and especially there's a direct bus to the airport, and it's also very inexpensive. So this is definitely an amazing city to do layover with. Oh yeah, in just 4.5 hours on the ground, I did as much as I can. However, if you go another couple of hours or so, take a 15 minutes ride on the bus 185 from the Old Town Square and get off at the Łazienki Park. Taken from the name Lazienki, or bath in Polish, it is derived from the park's centerpiece and the best known attraction, the palace on the island. The palace was originally built in the 17th century as a private bathhouse in a baroque style. The loyal Lazienki Park is one of Warsaw's most culturally rich green areas. Developed by Poland's last king, Warsaw August, the park covers 76 hectares. Today is home to not only the striking landscape but also a number of architectural treasures, including many palaces both big and small, along with summer houses, pavilions, mansions, cafes, restaurants, lakes, and a theater on the island, and much more. Sadly, I don't have the luxury of time to visit this beautiful park. I'm heading back to the airport the same way by bus 175 directly from the Old Town Square. The bus departs every 10 to 15 minutes from 4:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily. Back at the university station right here. This time we are taking the bus the opposite direction and to the Chopin Airport. So I'm just waiting. Now, there is a machine over there. You can try to pay for it, but I tried to throw in coins, but it won't take it. So if you want to buy the tickets on the street, you may want to have a credit card just in case. But I have been told that we are able to just pay on the bus. There's a machine on the bus. Oh, I think the bus is here. Finally, bus 175 heading to the airport. Done. So this ride from the Old Town, the university station, to the airport should take roughly about 45 minutes. Sometimes there could be traffic jams, so always plan accordingly. Now, what they recommend is always arrive at the airport roughly about an hour and a half to 2 hours before the boarding time. So make sure you watch out your time because you don't want to be late. That's going to be pretty painful. With that being said, let's hope this will be a smooth, fast ride. Alternatively, you can ride a donkey back to the airport. I mean, you can take the taxi back to the airport for less than $10 or 8 euros, and it takes about 20 minutes with clear traffic. So that was actually a really smooth ride, and right here we are at Terminal A for departure back home. Yeah, let's get going. I just got through the security. Now we are heading over to 17N. Actually, no, because I'm going to business lounge. I also recommend you have a total of 8 hours in total for your layover and arrive at the airport no less than 2 hours before your departure. If you arrive back earlier at the airport, there's many lounges with showers to get you refreshed. With that being said, I hope you have an amazing layover in Warsaw. Stay safe and have a pleasant flight. See you next time. Do widzenia!